Just when I think they can't do anything any more beautiful, they do it again. Oh my goodness. I want to start this video telling you once again, for those of you who have not seen this or heard this, the story behind ExclusifPouget. Such a beautiful, beautiful line of jewelry. And I'll have to read. The creation of ExclusifPouget was inspired by the beautiful women in our family, especially our Cuban-born mother and our French grandmother. We hold beautiful memories of impeccably dressed women who always crowned their attire with a stunning necklace. We were always told that a woman's neck should always be adorned, since it's the gateway between her head and her body where great decisions are made. Raquel and Marie have done it again with the Patti's spring necklace. This is gorgeous. I truly believe that as much as I've loved the first two that they did for me, the Patti in fall and the Patti winter, they were absolutely gorgeous, but there is something about these colors. Actually, I saw a little while ago on their Facebook page, they showed a necklace that they had done in these colors for someone else. It was a custom necklace. And I fell in love with it. And I asked them if they could do something for me in these colors. And this is what they created. I think the title of their business really says a lot. Exclusive. And what that means is every necklace on their site is an original and a one-of-a-kind. The only exception that they make to that have been the necklaces that they've made for me and for you. And what they've done is they've actually created for me 3 necklaces. They've created one for me, an identical one for a giveaway for one of you, and another identical one to be sold on their website. It's $129.99, and I know for some of us that's a little bit pricey for a necklace, but the beads on this necklace are first-rate check glass beads. The colors, the design, I just can't tell you how pretty this is in person. Now, and let me just say that if you go to their website and order, if you're the lucky one who can purchase the one necklace like this, you will get free shipping, and you'll get free shipping if you see any other necklaces on their site that you want to purchase. You will still get free shipping. Should you order this necklace or another necklace off of their website, you need to remember a couple of things. First of all, and this is very important, this has been true with all of these other giveaways and purchases with anything special, you have to email the girls first. Go to their website, email them, let them know that you're one of my subscribers, one of my viewers, so that you can get the free shipping. So email them first, and I'll put all of the information in the description box below. I did go on their website, and they do have at least one other necklace in very similar colors to this. They may have more than that. So if you are not able to either win the Patti spring necklace or be the first in line to purchase it, there should be something similar, or possibly they can make you something similar. And I noticed too, as always, that their prices differ, so you may not, the necklace you choose may not be the $129. It could be less, it could be more. But I encourage you to go over. You'll just drool. If you love jewelry like I love jewelry, you will love their necklaces. They're just exquisite. They're exclusive. They're beautiful. And when you get them, I would just want to wear this around with my jeans and t-shirt. That's how pretty it is. It's gorgeous. We're going to have a drawing for a Patti and spring necklace. It'll be identical to mine, and by the way, they said they had a really hard time putting together all of the beads to do 3 of these necklaces. That's how exclusive it is. But I am going to have a drawing for this necklace, and I'm going to draw in exactly 1 week. Today is Wednesday, the 28th. I'm going to be drawing in exactly 1 week, a week from today. I'll draw 5 names, and the first person who contacts me, who meets the criteria, will win that necklace. So that'll be a week from today, next Wednesday. You do have to be a subscriber to my channel, and you do have to live within the continental United States. And the reason for that, they do not ship their jewelry outside of the United States, and I suspect that it's because of the postage. These necklaces, being checked glass, are very heavy, and it truly would be very expensive to ship one of these necklaces. And that's why I've limited it to the continental United States, because of the cost involved in shipping. They're just heavy. They're heavy. So it's one thing in the United States, but once it goes anyplace else, it gets very, very pricey. So continental United States, 1 week from today, next Wednesday, and you do have to be a subscriber to my channel. And it will be of the 5 names I draw, and the first person who contacts me out of those first 5 names that I draw will be the winner. I want to thank Marie and Raquel again for making these beautiful necklaces for us. And I want to thank you for being a beautiful subscriber to my channel. I love each and every one of you. Don't forget to go out and be kind today. Just be kind. Know that I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.